You know what the worst part of owning a pool is? It's not the chemicals, it's not the maintenance, it's the cleanup. Every time you're ready to enjoy your pool, you come out and you look at this. You spend an entire Saturday cleaning your pool instead of actually enjoying it. So, I already dropped the robot in, it's already doing its job, so stick with me and I'll show you how it really works.
Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to MHD Tech. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you never miss a video with us. Today guys, I'm doing the full unboxing and live real world test of the iGarden Pool Cleaner K series. So I've already got it running in the pool behind me, and by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what it did. Every single feature, tested on camera. But first, let's go through what's actually in this box, because the design alone had me surprised. So, first things first, out of the box, let's get it opened up. Definitely took their time in packaging this thing. All right, so first thing right here, we have the easy deploy and quick start guide. You guys can see it goes from steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the back with the QR codes to get the app set up. All right. Look through, we got our accessories compartment. Right here, power and charging cable. And it definitely is pretty protected. A lot of good sized foam. Keep it from any type of damages in shipping. You got the manual right here. Let's get the main unit itself out of here. Ugh. All right, and just like that, we got the entire thing unboxed, the main unit here itself, our cable, user manual, our hook, and our quick setup guide. Let's get her open. Wow, they took their time in wrapping this thing up with plastic, but I understand why now that I see this color. This thing looks like a car. Sleek, man. All right. And that's it. Pretty minuscule kind of packaging, not too much going on here. Looks honestly pretty plug and play. So, just looking at this, guys, this isn't what a normal pool robot is supposed to look like. This is a sports car with that nice red model, with that glossy automated paint. It's UV resistant. It looks like it belongs in a Ferrari showroom. It's honestly, gives me like a little tank as well with the black treads here. So, it has a touchscreen control panel right here on the back. Right here, it's pretty minimalist, clean. Everything you need is on the unit itself. There's no remote, there's no app required, but it does have one. We've got the retrieval hook, the charging cable in the box, and that's pretty much it. Now, like I said, I've had this in my pool already, so let me show you what it's been doing. Here's what separates this from every pool robot I've ever tested. When you drop a robot into your pool, it doesn't just vacuum whatever's sitting there. Watch, guys. As the robot moves through the water, it stirs things up. Debris that was settled shifts and moves around, which means to actually clean your entire pool, the robot, it needs to make multiple passes. It needs time in the water. Most pool robots top out at 2, maybe 4 hours. Your pool's half done. You pull it out, you charge it, you've lost your entire afternoon. The K Pro 150, that's this red model right here. It runs 15 hours on a single charge. The black model runs 6 hours. Both are completely cordless. Watch this. I dropped it in this morning. That's about midday. That's afternoon. Same charge, still running. Now, you're probably wondering, how does a pool robot run for 15 hours straight? Because most of them can't even make it 4. 2 reasons. First, it's smart. It's about power. When it's cleaning the flat bottom of your pool, it dials back the motor. Easy terrain, less energy burned. When it hits the walls and it needs to climb, it cranks it back up. It's constantly adjusting, only using what it actually needs. Second, the water flow is engineered to do more with less. Wider intake means it pulls in more debris per pass. Cleaner interior design means water moves through it easier. Less resistance, less strain on the motor, more battery life left over. Put those 2 things together, and instead of a robot that burns out halfway through your pool, you get one that finishes the job every time in 1 session. This is what real pool cleaning actually looks like. All right, guys, I have to stop here for a second because I haven't shown you the thing that made my jaw literally drop when I watched in this pool. This robot doesn't just clean the floor. It climbs, guys, up the walls, all the way to the water line. I'm gonna show you that test right now. The K series has 2 cleaning modes. Watch, I'm switching right here on the panel. Mode 1, pool floor only. Mode 2, floor walls and water line. And here's what mode 2 actually looks like underwater. That's the robot climbing the wall. Suction keeps it flat against the surface all the way up, and then right at the water line, it cleans that tile ring. The ring of grime that builds up at the water surface. That's some of the hardest stuff to clean manually. This machine does it automatically. Most pool robots clean the floor. That's the easy part. Climbing walls consistently for 6 to 15 hours, that's what tells you about the engineering quality inside of this thing right here. All right, now let me show you the feature that means you literally don't have to think about your pool for weeks. It's called the AI timer, and I'm gonna set it right now live. All right, just like that. Easy for you guys to handle. And you can make it last for up to 3 days at a time, and it automatically cleans your pool. All you have to do is drop it in and press the button. That's it. And it does it all by itself. On the 6-hour black model, 1 full charge, it can do it for 10 days automatically. No maintenance needed. You don't have to touch it for 10 whole days, and your pool stays crystal clear. But for the red model, on a 15-hour charge, potentially a full month of automatic cleaning. Think about that. For your entire summer, you're not cleaning your pool, you're swimming in it. Now, let me talk about something people overlook. How this thing actually looks sitting in your pool. Now, the one we have here, the red model, glossy, automotive grade paint, UV resistant, corrosion resistant. When it's sitting next to your pool on the deck, it looks like a premium appliance, not a cleaning tool. And for the black model, race car inspired lines, sleek, clean, nothing boxy about it. This is what a pool robot looks like when an actual designer takes the time to build it. And of course, the touch screen on the control panel. It's minimalist. Every function you need right here on the device. And of course, the app is easy to use too.
If you want to grab the iGarden Pool Cleaner K series, link is in the description below. I'll have the full product details and price down there. If this video helped you, drop a like. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe to MHD Tech if you haven't already for more real, no fluff reviews like this one. I'll catch you in the next one.